Look at this cute little house here. Just above the lot that we are in. Look at the flowers in the garden. Gorgeous. And we are now in another lot that's manned, so we don't have to get off the boat. We just pass our rope to the lock keepers. And here is one of the lovely lock keeper here. We will come, take our ropes and open the locks for us. So we're fully inside the lock. And we're now going to open. We're now going to wait for this particular lock here to open. See this big thing here? It's called a lock. And that's the action. It's now pulling up. And the boat is going to be rising as the lock pulls up with water. That's the lock up there. It's opening in the lock for us. You don't have to get off. So I'm going to let you watch the water level as it rises here. And the lock pull up. It's pretty spectacular. What did you say, Hattie? After? You want to swim in here? So here we're on the Thames. So the water in the log. Beautiful tip.
Got like 100 more to go.
Tip.
Thank you.
That's a tip on how to hold and keep our boat in place when we're in a lock. So notice we have our rope here. We're in the lock waiting for it to pull up. So you can see our level is rising. You will notice it will get up to that mark there while we wait patient for it. Wait patiently for it to get there and then the lock will open. So action going on here. It's rising, it's rising, it's rising. And now the lock is opening.
Oh wow, look at that one.
That's, oh wow, look at that boat coming up here. It's massive.
I think that's the biggest boat we've seen.
I think so too. That is massive. That's monstrous, right? I think this is one of the biggest boats we have seen since we've been out here. This is huge.
Oh, this is a huge one. This is
huge.
First.
So now the lock is open. And we say thank you to the lock keeper as we go along.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you for the tip.
Thank you so much, my darling. Take care.
Right, back to reading.
While I get this big boat here. Very big boat.